Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is resource labeling and how we can do the resource labeling in MS Project. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you want to learn the MS Project software. So let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, MS Project is a very well known and a very popular software for project management, and we use this software for making the project plans. Today we shall discuss in detail that what is resource labeling and how we can do it in MS Project. First of all, resource allocation, resource labeling we have to understand, friend. Normally what happened that if there are two tasks in the project plan, for example this is a project plan for a software project implementation. Let's assume that there are tasks as like planning, software development, quality assurance, user acceptance testing and production deployment. Now what we do, like we assign the resources to these tasks. For just to save the time, we have already entered these tasks. Now assume that for software development we will assign a task. So we will click here on the resource sheet. We have already entered few resources like James, John and Tom. So these are the three resources. Let's assume that these are the project resources. So we will click here again, okay, and we will assign software development task the resources. In the resource tab, assign resource, and we will assign James and we will assign John. Okay, now see, this task is software development is starting from 1st August to 2 August 2nd August, and we have assigned the resources James and John. And here in the bar you can also see that for this task James and John are assigned. Now just please remember the dates are 1st August to 2nd August. Now the quality assurance task is of the same date like 1st August to 2nd August. Just assume that the dates are same. Just try to understand the concept here right now. So we will assign again in the resource tab, we will assign the resources James and John. Okay, see, when I'm assigning the resources, here is the symbol of resource allocation. It says that this task has resource assigned which are over allocated. So basically resources are over allocated. That means the both tasks are starting from 1st August to 2nd August, and the resources James and Johns are assigned here and here as well. So and the dates are same, so that means the resources are over allocated. Now to this issue of over allocation solving, that is called as resource labeling actually. Okay, so this is the concept of resource labeling, that we shall solve this issue of over allocation. Now how we will solve that? We will click here, for example we will click here and see, right click here, there is an option fix in task inspector, reschedule to available date, ignore problem to that for the task. So we will go for the option fix in task inspector. Now see, when I click here fix in task, sorry, 1 minute. When I click here, sorry, reschedule to available date, sorry. So I have collected, I have used the option reschedule to available date. Once I use this date, see what happened actually. The software development task is starting from 1st to 2nd August, and quality assurance task is starting from 3rd August to 4th August. And now see, the resource allocation issue has been now resolved. Why this issue is resolved? Because now the dates are different. Now you can see from here James and Johns are already assigned. In the there is an option of labeling delay. See from here, when I click on labeling delay, it is showing me that there is a 2 days delay. From here you can also see that now this task is 2 days delay. Why it's 2 days delay? Because the resources were over allocated, and to solve this issue we must have to use this option of resource labeling. Now in the resource tab there is another option called as clear labeling. Once you use this option, it will again revert back the changes. For example, when I click on clear labeling, okay, it will ask the entire project or selected work. I will say that for the entire project. So what happens, see, again the over allocation issue occurred, and again the dates has been reverted back because I have used the option of clear labeling. Okay, if I click here on this and use the rescheduled available date, again this issue will resolve. Here is an option of label resources as well. You can use the labeling resources for the selected task, and this option label all, it will label all the whole project actually. So right now if you ask from me, I will prefer to use the option of selected task, and once it is selected you will right click on that and you will do the resource labeling as well. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.